How to Become a Foster Parent, Your Step-by-Step Guide to Become a Foster Parent. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by Studio 73 Productions. Introduction. There are more step-parenting situations and blended families now in society than there ever has been around the world. And yet, the idea of raising someone else's children is not so new. It is a phenomenon that has been practiced among many cultures, but is something that is usually typified by grandparents raising young children so that the parents can either have more children or continue with their own employment. Blending two family units is usually something that can be quite stressful for all involved. There are not only the dynamics and personalities of the individuals to consider, adult and children, but also the needs and demands of ex-spouses and partners that often bring an unwanted element of stress into the lives of two people who decided to create their own version of the Brady Bunch. But it is not all bad news. With a little bit of tact, a spot of diplomacy, and some strong communication skills, not only is it possible to have a happy, new blended family unit, but it is something that can be truly enjoyed by everyone in it. In this guide, you will learn some of the basic steps it takes to first get over the hurdle of meeting your new children, and then how to deal with them in specific situations when you are all sharing your living space. Most problems in a family unit can be dealt with tactfully and with a lot of love, but we will also cover some situations that do require firmer handling and what you should do and should not do if those incidences arise in your own home. So let's get started so that you can create some harmony in your blended family home.